Good morning friends, this is Hasmukh. Today we start chapter number 1. Topic is 4 fundamental forces in nature. Here we know that many different type of forces present in the universe. But this all forces are distributed in these 4 fundamental forces. So the first one fundamental forces, one is gravitational force. First one is gravitational force. Second, electromagnetic force. Electromagnetic force. Third is strong nuclear force. Strong nuclear force. And fourth one is weak nuclear force. In 4 fundamental forces, first one is gravitational force, second is electromagnetic force, third is strong nuclear force, and last one is weak nuclear force. First we discuss about weak gravitational force. First we discuss about gravitational force. In the gravitational force, these forces are act between two mass bodies m1 and m2. Two masses m1 and m2. Suppose example of earth and moon, earth and sun. This is the example of gravitational force. Here second is they are always attractive in nature. Gravitational force always attractive in nature. Gravitational force always attractive in nature. Next is third point. These forces are charge independent. Charge not depend on charge. Charge independent. So gravitational force is charge independent. No medium required. No medium required. Next point is these forces are long range forces. Long range forces. And last point is in these 4 fundamental forces, weakest force. Weakest force. This is the weakest force in nature. Now next force is electromagnetic magnetic force. In electromagnetic force, here we see that electro plus magnetic means electric plus magnetic. Electric plus magnetic. So here these forces are charge dependent. These forces charge dependent. These forces are long range forces. Means electromagnetic force is long range forces. Long range forces. Long range forces. Now next step is these forces are attractive as well as repulsive. Means here we show that in gravitational force only attractive force, but in case of electromagnetic force are attractive as well as repulsive. Example of between proton repulsive force. Between proton repulsive force and proton electron attractive. Now next step is no medium required. No medium required. No medium required. Next point is no medium required. And last one is these forces act only between charged particles. Only between charged particles. Now next step, next point is strong nuclear force. Next point is strong nuclear force. Strong nuclear force. In strong nuclear force, one word other than this means nucleus. In this case, in nucleus, proton and neutron. Here proton is positively charged, neutron is neutral. And around this electron ring. But here strong nuclear force is charge independent. This force is charge independent. Means first one point is strong nuclear force charge independent. Next is short range forces. Next is short range forces. Short range forces. And these forces are strongest in the nature. This force strongest in nature. But in nucleus, range is 10 raised to minus 15 meter square equal to 1 ton is equal to 130. Now last one is weak nuclear force. Weak nuclear force. Weak nuclear force. In weak nuclear force also are short range force. Weak nuclear force, short range forces. Second is radioactive emission, means alpha, beta, gamma radiation continuously. Third, charge dependent. These forces are charge dependent. These forces are charge dependent. And last point is this force. One is short range force, second one is charge dependent radioactive emission. This is the 4 fundamental forces. Now, order of the 4 fundamental forces. Order of the 4 fundamental forces. Order of the 4 fundamental forces. So here, strongest force is strong nuclear force. Strongest force is strong nuclear force. First one is strong nuclear force. Next one is electromagnetic force. Electromagnetic force. First one is strong, second one is electromagnetic force, third one is weak nuclear force. Weak nuclear force. And last one is gravitational force. Gravitational force. Suppose in strong nuclear force is 1, order of the 4 fundamental forces. So, in electromagnetic force is 10 raised to minus 2. In weak nuclear force 10 raised to minus 13. 10 raised to minus 13. And gravitational force is 10 raised to minus 38. So strongest force in the nature is strong nuclear force and weakest force in the nature is gravitational force. This is our first chapter, 4 fundamental forces. Thank you.